Let's get some of this for you then.
Look at the quality on that, you know, low light.
Oh crikey, yeah.
It's not bad, is it?
Oh. There we go.
Breakfast.
Okay.
Princess is having breakfast in bed. So it's still pretty dark out, as you can see. You can actually see the moon up there through the clouds. Slept really well. So this is day 3. Probably going to head into Porthmadog today, and might do one of the trains. Might not, might do something else. Don't know yet. How are you, oldest friend?
Slept really well.
Good.
Which is surprising considering my length in the car.
Length, not girth.
Well, and girth as well. I'm broadening out due to my fitness regime of
lack of fitness.
Yeah, at the moment, yeah, especially with the knee. But yeah, slept really well. It was quite nice. It looks like we've got somebody
somebody else joined us in the night.
But certainly it was a peaceful night.
Was. Got the kettle on. I'm having another coffee. Oldest friend's going to have a bovril. And just to show you that we are responsible, this is our rubbish bag for last night. We'll chuck that in a bin when we find one. This is the thing about doing this, is there's quite a lot of people out there who leave their rubbish behind and stuff. And it just makes it bad for everybody else. Don't do that. We're off. It's 8 o'clock and we're heading into Porthmadog. Porthmadog. So we're just pulling into the Premier Inn car park. This is where we parked before when we came here. Done me well as this little solar powered backpack when I'm on my travels. Tell you what, the similarity is uncanny. Look at that. A few geocaches out there. There is a geocache in this area, which I did last time I was here. So we don't need to do it again, as oldest friend doesn't want to do it again. So we're just going for a meander around the back of the hotel. I don't know why. Oldest friend said let's go over here. I mean, there are those very pretty flowers there. I've never seen those before. Oh look, we're at the back of the hotel. Lovely. Oh, we're going back round to the car park. I think we are. Oldest friends brings me to all the pretty places. He's a good date. Oh, we found a little bench and some mud. Looks lovely.
Did you wake up sarcastic?
I think that's Snowdon.
Every mountain that you look at, you say it's Snowdon.
I know, I do. I can't even deny it. But it does look good with the sort of like clouds rolling over it. I think that's Snowdon. So we're just at the Porthmadog station. We've just been having a look at the trains that are available today. We'll have a chat with those chaps at the back there. We're going to go and get breakfast and decide what we want to do. Oldest friend's in there ordering breakfast. Nice. And Nita's tying herself up in a knot. But we've been allowed inside, so she's got to behave. We don't think that's going to happen.
It's my turn now. Carl's gone for a wee. He's been weeing a lot, which is going to happen because he's getting really old. He walks slow, He drives slow. He dresses like a 60-year-old. It's just insane. Anyway.
Yep, we're shopping again. I've been an oldie with a girl. So we've had breakfast. I've just done a geocache. That'll be going in a collective geocache video. We're just meandering up here. I think oldest friend's going to say something wise.
I am Ace.
There you go. Didn't expect that, did you? Neither did I. So when we had a look at the Porthmadog railway tracks and trains that were available today, that sounded stupid, we didn't look at the tracks, but when we were looking at what was available today, there were 2 routes available. We've done one of them and the other one is only an extension of that, and it's double the price. Well, it's 2 trains. Was it only one?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
It went out twice.
And we've done it all. We've done half of that one already. So for the money, we just don't think it's worthwhile doing that again. So I've got something else in mind today, based on something a company has sent me to review on the channel, and I haven't told oldest friend what it is, but I think we could have some fun with it. So might go and do that. So I've got something that's been sent to me, as I say, and we're going to go and play with it. Oldest friend doesn't know what it is yet. And this is how you keep a relationship exciting. That's quite an imposing looking building. Quaint.
Yeah, indeed. Man, if we can camp here.
Yeah, that would be, yeah, that would be kind of cool.
Just say no overnight camping. Of course it does.
Can't believe I'm driving on a beach.
I know.
So this is Black Rock Sands Beach, and it's really weird because there are speed limit signs on a beach all the way along. It's kind of bizarre. I've never seen anything like this before. Great views. The water's really quite calm. Might even go for a little play in the packraft at some point. However, it's now time to show oldest friend what I was sent. Come on, oldest friend.
Perfect. Cheers.
So there's this box here.
Yeah.
Go on, you pull it out. Not in public.
Oh, if I see what I think it is.
So what I've been sent is a metal detector.
Oh, nice.
And, you know, beaches, ideal places for a little bit of stuff like that, aren't there?
Yeah.
So, yeah, we'll have a play.
Nice. And I wasn't expecting. Hey, I like that.
He's easily distracted. Got to do a bit of a dig. I had three alerts going on here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, expensive find! Right, we're just heading to find some food. I think we might go, might try and stay on that beach for the night, because that could be a nice thing to do. The tides are really low there. Anyway, we've got some food. We're heading back to that beach. We've arrived back at the beach and we're going to do that crazy thing, you know, driving along the beach. Now, where's this dude going? There's no road rules. What are the road rules down here? I don't think there are any. What are the road rules down here, dude? I don't think there are any.
What?
What are the road rules? I'm driving on the right. Something's wrong.
Yeah, it just feels a bit weird, that.
This is weird. I've never driven really on a beach before. Well, I say really, I've never driven on a beach before. It's weird. But you might be able to see these caves coming into view. More on the right hand side of the screen, I think. So we thought we'd go and have a look. To be fair, it looks more like a recess than a cave. Alright, I've decided that that's a little bit like St Ninian's Cave in Scotland, which is another lie. It's a cleft. A cleft. A cleft, I tell you. And we're heading back the other way to see what's at the far end of this beach. Gotta admit, I am enjoying this driving along the beach thing though. It just feels a bit naughty. Do you think it feels a bit naughty driving on the beach? Oh, he's talking to YouTube.
Pretty cool here, driving on the beach.
Yeah, it's a bit weird. We're top gearing it, top gearing it. Don't know where this camper's going. Oh, he's indicating, fair play. We'll give him a flash, let him know he can go. If you've ever seen anything like this before, let me know in the comments, because I find this fascinating. Grew up in Filey, by the sea, never seen really anything like this, where you just kind of drive on the beach.
I think this bit here where we're driving could be where the tide comes up.
Yeah, it does look like there's some freshly washed up weed here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Still, there are car tracks.
What?
There are still car tracks down here, and there's somebody coming the opposite direction.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know about you, but I am finding this quite fascinating.
Yeah, it is somewhat fascinating, yeah. It's getting a bit slidey.
Squashed it for you, dude. I squashed that weed.
Oh, I felt that scrape.
Now, there's a no entry sign here, and I'm wondering if that's for cars.
Yeah, no vehicles beyond this point.
Yeah. So we've reached the end of the driving line. I've found that really fascinating. Never done that before, anything like that.
No.
Yeah, fascinating. And there's a blue light vehicle over there, isn't there?
Oh yeah.
There's a vehicle over there. It's got blue lights on. So I'm guessing that's some kind of sort of like enforcement vehicle, just to make sure people don't kind of go too far. Right, we're going to head back. On the way back across the beach, there was a couple that looked like they'd been here for quite a few days in a camper van. There was wine bottles and stuff outside, and they said they'd been here since Friday, and that there's no issues here. So yeah, we're doing it. So all these people will disappear anyway at some point, but yeah, we're just going to chill out here for the day. Nice. What say you?
Yep.
Tonight I am mostly having dog food. How's your dog food?
Rough.
Yeah, mine's in a similar vein. So it's 7:05. We've got this German couple next to us here. As you can see, it's gone very quiet. We've dined. People are slowly leaving. There's a chancer right down by the waterline there. Don't know what they're waiting for. We're at slack water at the moment, but it's going to turn. It's starting to turn now. Low tide's in about 20 minutes or so. In case you haven't gathered, there's quite a few gobby rooks around.
Not that one. Not that one.
So we've settled down for the night. Don't feel like we've done an awful lot today. Been very chilled, but yesterday was a lot busier, so it was quite nice to take the pressure off today. Yeah, been very relaxed. That's the end of today's little jaunt. Thank you so much for watching. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel. You take care of yourself. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Cheerio.